Uh-oh. Enemy car. There's a little car coming for us. Gotcha! I need long shots. How is that not a long shot? Pew pew. Long shot! Snatch it. That's not what I wanted. I'm just gonna put that up there. We're just gonna put this right here. Big pew pew. Sentry gun? Oh! No, I don't have you right now. Bye. The balls! Like what I used to shoot down the UAV? Like what I used to shoot down the UAVs? Yeah, it's a rocket launcher. I can't aim worth a damn. Hey guys, I'm coming in your territory to get some territory. Territory. Woo! Bloodthirsty! I don't know how I'm alive right now. That was absolutely terrifying. I literally was face to face with this dude point blank. Oh, ouch, ouch. My button. Ah, my button. Ah, my button. I have a helicopter. There's an attack helicopter going up. You're welcome. Oh, I got my cherry blossom camo. Yeah, that's right. Oh, wait, I'm out of ammo. Ouch. Ouch. Oh, I got him! What? I couldn't even see anything. I totally just blasted him through the smoke. Oh, they're in the trees. I'm going. I don't see anybody. Ouch, 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 ouch! Oh, he's right next to the statue. He's in the middle. I wasn't paying attention, and I got toasted. That guy set my ass on fire. Just gonna set that right here. Hostile attack helicopter? They aren't allowed to have that. What the? Not for long. Hot diggity dog. Dang it. 31 and 10. I guess for first game, 31 and 10 is not too bad. I better get better. Oh no, that's me! Don't show me dying! What? My score is 31 and 10. I got a 3.0 ratio, bro. It was loading, you got cut out. What? Oh, now everybody gets to see my hacking level 1 to level 193. I'm not hacking, guys. It's not real. My game's just broken. Every time I fix my position in my chair, it sounds like I'm myself. Oh, wait! I can change my camo. I have my cherry blossom. Woo, Laura, there we go. Alright,